Go there. You're watching the Aussie BIM Guru, but I hope you're not watching me live because it's New Year's now, so you should be partying. But first of all, Happy New Year. You're hopefully watching this in 2020, not right on the end of 2019. I'm definitely not doing this video right now. I've recorded this prior. But I couldn't really help myself. I put something together anyway just to celebrate New Year's. I made a little script in Grasshopper that makes fireworks. It was good fun. I used a package called Anemone, which I made a video on. So essentially it loops particles up, and when they reach a certain point, they cause a firework explosion. So had a bit of fun with that. Just thought it was a little novel way to celebrate New Year's for the channel. But I do actually have some things to talk about anyway. So the point of this video is to really quickly recap on the progress of the channel in 2019, to celebrate it, but also to share some plans for 2020, and also just to share some interesting news that probably none of you really know about yet. So 2019, I worked full-time as a BIM manager. I founded the channel. I really improved my Dynamo skills and shared them back to the channel, and I've started using Rhino on Grasshopper, as well as looking into Python coding as well. So it's been a really big year for me. I've really enjoyed what I've done so far, and I'm really excited for where I can take it from here. The channel grew a lot. I never expected it to grow so fast, so I'm really enjoying some of the opportunities this has given me, but also my community as well. I'm really enjoying helping people, and that's really becoming part of where I see my future going in the industry. I've made 125 videos at the moment. I don't quite know where I'll stop, or if I ever will. Maybe I'll just die one day and stop making videos at 98. Who knows? But I'm going to keep making them twice a week as I have before. So I've hit some milestones as well. So 1,000, also 2,000 subscribers recently. Didn't want to make a video going on about it, but it was nice to see that the channel's grown much faster now. People are sharing it, which is really cool. So keep sharing it. Show your friends, show your colleagues. If it can help them, let them know. I don't really mind how many subscribers I have. What I care about is engagement. I want to reach as many people as possible, and I want to help as many people as possible. So share the channel. Don't say you have to subscribe to them. That's up to them. But yeah, share it around. And a lot of you are, and I really appreciate that. The network on LinkedIn that I've sort of connected to the channel quite heavily is growing a lot as well. So I put a lot of time and effort into my networking on LinkedIn. It's a good platform. It's not perfect. Sometimes I think it's becoming more like Facebook than really a professional network, but it's helped me reach a lot of different people that are similar to me. So there's just over 3,000 followers on LinkedIn. In March, I think I had 400. So it's changed quite a lot. And I've also been getting shared on the Rhino blog a few times. I think it's great, the amount of support that I've received from the Rhino and the Grasshopper community with what I'm doing. I feel very supported and very welcome. So really enjoying that interaction I'm getting there as well. And I'd like to also thank YouTube, obviously, for hosting my videos for free. And I'd also like to thank my viewers and my network. Anyway, 2020. So I'm going to take a quick break. Don't panic, I'm coming back. I'm not going to be one of those channels that just disappears into the wind and never returns to be heard from again. I'm not going to release any videos again until about January 20th. This is for a few reasons. The main reason is I just need a break. I need to actually go on holidays properly. I need to turn off my brain and stop thinking about Dynamo and Revit for a while. So it's unlikely I'm going to respond to emails either during this period, or very unlikely that I will. I'm not going to be very active on LinkedIn, and there's a few other reasons for this as well that I'll probably touch on at the end. But yeah, I'm just taking a break, and then from then on, I'll be back from Monday, Thursday, upload as always. I've actually got about almost 2 months of videos to upload. I've made sure I've actually built up a pretty healthy catalogue of topics up my sleeve. So yeah, there'll definitely be regular videos for a long time. So don't panic, but at the same time, try to let me have a break too. Early next year, I'm going to be establishing a GitHub properly, where I can actually store my scripts and files that I'm working on in the videos. I've had a lot of requests of people saying, can you send me the script? Can you do this? Can you do that? It takes up a lot of my time. So I'd rather just start uploading what I'm making videos on for the public. And that's probably where I'm going to do it. There's some brief news. I'm not going to tell you the whole news, but I'm just going to tell you at least the interesting part that a lot of you might find surprising. I'm no longer going to be a BIM manager in 2020. I've changed my career goals, and I'll let you know what the plan is around about February to March. But I can't tell you exactly what it is at the moment. I'd rather keep it a surprise, but I think it's going to be a really interesting thing for the channel and also for my community and my network. I think it's going to be very positive, and I look forward to seeing, you know, what my career is going to become on the back of this. So some of you, I think I've spoken to privately, and you sort of know what I'm talking about. If you do, don't mention it in the comments or anything like that. Keep it private for now. But I'm not gonna be a BIM manager anymore. I'm still gonna be in BIM. I'm still gonna be in architecture in the AEC industry, and I'm still gonna be in Sydney. So it's just a different way of me approaching my industry. So yeah, watch this space. But I'd like to thank you all for watching in 2019. And I hope you enjoy your holidays, have a good break, and I look forward to releasing more content for you and interacting with you all in the new year. So thanks for watching. And yeah, have a great 2020. And if you've got any feedback or comments or requests for topics in the new year, let me know. I'm very flexible and open to ideas, and I'm about to become a lot more flexible with the way that I'm moving my career. So yeah, feel free to let me know. If you're not already following and subscribing, feel free to do so. Probably a bit of a strange first video for you to come across, given it's not really a tutorial. But I do community updates every now and then just to announce a few important things. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the new year. Thanks. Take care. Bye.